That's how you know it's time for bed, baby. When you put on that body, you go on that road, do not disturb, okay? Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is Ericarenee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, as you can see, I got on this big ass robe. Like girl, I need to get a new robe. I look crazy. But anyway, so you know what the robe means. The robe is giving me very much pamper me vibes. Today's video is going to be my body care routine. I'm going to do a little bit of pampering myself. So let's get right. So I just got out of the shower, and what I like to use is this Sephora. This is the sugar scrub. And if you all haven't seen my shower routine, I have a link down below, because that one is like a more detailed, you know, video of what I use in the shower. And then after that, I use my Dove soap. If I'm not using Dove, I usually use Dr. Butters. Both of them are very good for my skin. So yeah, this is the coconut butter and the cocoa butter one. This one, baby, it smells so good. So yeah, I love using this, and these two combined, this just makes my skin so soft and moisturized. It's very oily based, so I feel like that's where the moisture kind of comes into play. So yeah girl, these two together, bomb. And then after the body, I used my Clinique. And girl, I don't know why the heck I used this before I did my mask, because I'm about to do my mask. I'm going to show y'all the mask that I use. But yeah, I use this Clinique liquid facial soap on my face. And I use this day and night. So this is for people who have, so this is the dry combination one. This is the one that I like to use. So enough of all that. Let's actually get into some stuff. So I'm about to get into the bath, and before I get in the bath, I want to go ahead and just oil my scalp. So I'm going to be using this Miel, I hope I'm saying that right. It's Miel oil. I hope I'm saying that right. Focus, baby. Focus on me. Can we focus on me? Okay. So I'm going to be using this, and this has biotin, rosemary, mint. It has so many different types of oils, but it's basically good for your hair, like for hair growth. And that's what I'm trying to do, because girl, I'm tired of this short hair. Like, I'm tired of it. So I'm just going to put a couple drops of this in my scalp and massage it in.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still.
Okay, period. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my little bonnet. That's how you know it's time for bed, baby. When you put on that body, you go on that road. Do not disturb, okay? Do not disturb. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face mask. And if y'all have seen any of my other videos, if you subscribed, you already know what I'm about to use. If you're not, girl, subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Clear Improvements mask, and I'm just gonna put like a little thin layer, because since I already washed my face, which I don't know why I did that, knowing good well I want to do this mask, so I'm just gonna put a thin layer. And this leaves my skin feeling so soft afterwards, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. It feels so good. So yeah, what's been going on? What have y'all been doing? I feel like this year is definitely going by so fast. Like, where is time going? Are y'all subscribed? Do you just keep coming back to my channel and not subscribing? Like, let me know. What's tea? Like, what's going on? We are on the road to 1K subbies. I'm so excited, y'all. I think right now we're like at 514. And I'm about to really get back on my consistency, because I feel like I have been slacking. Like, I have really been slacking. But we back and we better. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What song is that? I'm back. I know it's a Bryson Tiller song, but what song is that? I'm back and I'm better. Something. What is that? I do not know. I'm talking about a thin layer, girl. Ain't nothing thin about this. Ain't nothing thin about this, though. And these little brushes are like a lifesaver. I got this from Amazon. It works so good when you're doing stuff like this, because it just really gets it on the skin evenly, which I love. Like, just an even layer. And girl, I'm breaking out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that little bump right there, we don't like her, so we're trying to get rid of her. saying hey girl a lot. Like, I be saying girl, girl, girl. Like, why do I say that so much? I don't know. I don't know why I can always say that so much. Alright, so boom. So we got our mask on. We got our mask on or whatever. This smells so good too, y'all. And it has honey in it. Honey makes the skin glow, okay? Honey makes the skin glow. Y'all, I am really like simple when it comes to like my bath routine. Like I feel like for my baths I like to just relax. So that's why I take a shower before, because bath time is not necessarily for me to like wash up in there. Like, you know, I just want to relax and just chill, drink my little wine, maybe read a book or something. So I like to use my Dr. Teal's, and this is the one that is the Relax and Relief with eucalyptus and spearmint. Girl, it says it's supposed to relax your body and mind, nourish your skin, period. So I'm also going to put some alcohol in there. Alcohol is like good for if you have like achy bones. Like when I be working out, sometimes my little body be hurting. I have to I just put some alcohol in there, so that's what I'm about to do. And it's just more relaxing, like, period. And then I also like to use this eucalyptus body mist. I like to spray this because it smells so good. This is from Target. This is the Yang plus eucalyptus. Baby, it smells so good. Get you some of this, girl. Get you some of this. So let's get into the bath vibe.
All night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Laying, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on you.
Hey y'all, so I just got out of the bath, so I'm about to show you all like what I put on my body as far as like making it moisturize and just have glowy skin. And I also have on my little skim set. I have on, y'all probably can't see, I have on my what is this, my Skims, the little boxer, the cotton boxers. These are so comfortable, y'all. Like, I love these so much. So it's just these boxers and then just this little shirt. So yeah, let's get into the skin. So I'm trying out for the first time this Fenty Skin, and this is the whipped oil body cream. We're gonna see what it's giving, y'all, because this was $40. So it doesn't have a smell to it, which I feel like is kind of good because people with sensitive skin. So I think this is universal, actually, to be honest. Like, anybody can use this. Yeah. I mean, it smells like something, but not too much. Like, you have to really, like, sniff it in there. So, let's try it out. This is my first time, y'all. So, yeah, she is honestly thick. I'm going to put it on my arms. So, first impression, it feels very, like, I don't know. Y'all, I'm so horrible at describing stuff. It feels very, it's not as thick as I thought it would be. Like, I don't know. It's not that thick once you put it onto the skin, but like just taking it out the bottle, it is thick or whatever. But as y'all can see, my skin, girl, it really is glowing though already. Y'all see that glow? Period. Okay. So, okay. Rihanna, glow. So I like that. It feels honestly very moisturizing, which I like as well. It's not like, you know, I feel like it's really getting to the skin. It's really giving. It's kind of greasy a little bit, but I feel like that's fine because I don't really care. She's cute. She's cute. So now that I'm lotioned up, I'm going to get into my skin. So I'm going to be using my Clinique. And this is the second step. This is basically a like a clarifying lotion, like an astringent. So I'm going to use this. And then I like to use the Target Cotton Rounds, the one that's for exfoliating. It has like the little things on there so you can really exfoliate. Y'all see them? Okay, and then then next I'm going to be using my Clinique, and this is a Moisture Surge. And yeah, this is really good. Like, I really do like using this. And then I'm just going to use my Kiehl's. This is the creamy eye treatment with the avocado. Y'all, look at that. Period. Look at that glow, honey. And so, y'all, I know I just did all that to my face or whatever. I did my moisturizer and stuff. But I really like to use this Laneige water sleeping mask. And I have been using this for like maybe a couple weeks now. It looks like this. I got like a little free sample size. So I like to use this like once a week. So I'm going to use this tonight. And girl, this has my skin glowing as well. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. And you don't like, I don't rub mine in. I just like kind of let it sit on the skin. And it really is like so good. So it's supposed to help like keep your skin moisturized throughout the night. So yeah, this stuff is like so good, girl. So I'm definitely gonna have to pick up the bigger size, because this, I really like it. Okay, so this is how the skin is looking. Girl, look how glowy. So I do have it just sitting on there, but it just looks so good to me. Like, I just love like the glow. It just looks so good to me. So I'm going to go in and use my Laneige sleeping mask. And this is in the scent vanilla. Girl, I love this one. So just make sure that my lips are hydrated throughout the night. And period, we are done, honey. So this is my body care routine. But I'll show y'all the perfume that I like to use at night. So I love using my Brazilian Crush. I don't know what the name of this brand is. I can never like get their name right. I think it's like Soli or something. But you already know, girl. This is like my go-to. I love using this. So just spray this on. It smells so good. If you have the lotion, you already know. And my little thing is broken, so it don't be skirting out right. But this smells so good to me. So yeah, y'all, this is basically the end of this video. This is my body care routine. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like this video. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.